Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am absolutely obsessed with my new hair. If you haven't seen the video where I dyed it, be sure to check that one out. It's right before this one. So if you want to know how I created this makeup look to go along with my hair, then keep on watching. I look really weird with these behind my ears, but I need them to be there so I don't get makeup on them, so don't laugh. Okay, I woke up very eager to do my makeup today, and I have a beautiful look planned, so let's just get into it. I don't usually wear face makeup outside of the house, really. I take it off. I don't like stuff on my face. I like to be able to touch my face and not freak out and not, like, have anything transfer when I lay down, you know? I just live a very lazy life. I'm in bed a lot, so I don't want any makeup in my bed. So I'm going to show you guys just a little light, natural, no foundation, but foundation look that looks natural and won't really transfer an entire face onto your pillows. So I don't prime because I don't really wear a lot of face makeup on a day-to-day basis, so I'm just going to prime for the sake of this video. I Benefit Professional Primer like usual. I'm just going to apply like half as much as I normally would because I wear like less than half the amount of foundation that I would in a normal video. So just a little bit. And I'm just going to put it like underneath my eyes and on my nose really. So now I'm going to just take a M421 brush and some of my ColourPop No Filter foundation and just put some underneath my eyes right where we put the primer. And I like to put some on my cheekbones because that helps my highlighter stick. I normally do this at the end of my look, but I want my under eye to be brighter, so I don't want to have to go in there with concealer or foundation later while I already have eyeshadow on and mess up the whole look, you know what I mean? So this is a little much compared to what I normally do, but just for the sake of this video, I want to have a nice, like, even base. So I'm going to use my M173 brush to blend this all out. Okay, now I'm going to take a M439 brush and really blend it out. There, now the redness is gone from my face and I'm not too cakey at the same time. But like I said before, I do want my under eyes to be nice and bright, so I am just going to add a little dab of concealer underneath both my eyes. Going to add just a dot of concealer on my nose too for a little more coverage. I'm going to prime my eyes with my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot really fast. I'm going to set everywhere using my E48 brush and my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 05. First on an M431 brush, I'm going to take the shade Grape Minds from the Morphe 39S palette and put that in my crease. I really like the look of a like dramatic crease in the front, so I'm carrying that up to do that. Now on a different M431 brush, I'm going to pick up the shade Skip from the Morphe X James Charles palette and blend that in right above the purple. Now I'm going to take a M506 brush with no product on it and just lightly buff out the edges. Now on that same brush, I'm going to pick up the shade Pinkity Drinkity and blend that right above Skip. I'm going to pack on some more Grape Minds in the crease. Going to pick up a little bit of Grape Minds on that M506 brush. Back with that M431, I'm going to pick up the shade Make It Rain and deepen up the crease. I'm going to pick up some Grape Minds on the M506 and blend that in to Make It Rain. Now I'm going to take the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Jawbreaker palette and on the M431 for use for the purples, I'm going to pick up Delicious and pack that in on the outer corner. Now I'm going to cut the lid and create a half cut crease using my Morphe M421 brush and my BH Cosmetics white concealer. I'm going to tap out the edges with my finger and drag it towards Delicious. Now I'm going to pack some more of Delicious on the outer corner. And then I'm going to follow it up with Soaked. Next to that, I'm going to grab Playground from the Morphe X James Charles palette. And And then lastly, from that same palette, I'm going to take my finger and pick up Flashback and put that in the inner corner. Okay, I'm going to grab the Jawbreaker palette and lightly buff Brain Freeze over Playground to blend it in with the white. Now I'm going to just go back in with all the other colors and make sure they're all fully blended together. First, I'm just going to grab Skip on that Morphe M506 brush and run this on my lower lash line. I'm going to take Pinkity Drinkity and blend this into my skin. Now on an M410 brush, I'm going to take Great Minds and run that closest to my lower lash line. And lastly, with that same brush, I'm going to take Make It Rain and put it very close to my lower lashes. Then I'm going to take Skip one last time and blend this out. Now with my finger, I'm going to take Hello from the Morphe X James Charles palette and put that on the inner corner of my lid. Now on the inner corner, I'm going to pick up Ranch from the Shane Dawson Jeffree Star Conspiracy palette. And then over that, I'm going to layer Euphoria from the Morphe 35i Ice Fantasy palette. Alright, so even though I'm not really wearing that much foundation, I'm still going to contour, so let's use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit and my Morphe E4 brush. Gonna apply a tiny little bit of blush to add some color to our face, so I'm gonna use Holiday by ColourPop on a Morphe M405 brush. Now for my highlight, I'm going to use Ethereal from the BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlighting Palette on a Morphe M501 brush. Now for a little bit of extra shine, I'm going to pick up the shades Oh Yas and Here For It from the Morphe 39S palette and just tap this over my highlight. For my lips, I don't usually wear lipstick outside, but just for the sake of this look, I'm going to use Helsinki by NYX. Here's the finished look, guys. Really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!